Many people love to eat instant noodles, and fried instant noodles are also very common. I found the recipe for Maggie fried instant noodles and plan to try it today. Today we'll fry Maggie Assam noodle. Follow my channel and save this recipes now, so you can refer this recipe anytime you like. In the future, Maggie noodles are the memories of many Malaysians, and they are the instant noodles that many people miss when they go abroad. Let's start cooking now. I followed until step 4 only, not following the full recipes. Maggie Assam laksa noodle, onion, pineapple, tomatoes, chili padi, tomatoes cut half, chopped chili padi, cook noodle for 1.5 minutes. Drain, then toss under running water till cool. Add a little oil so noodles don't stick. Sliced onion, open pineapple can and set aside. Stir fry ingredients. Heat oil. Stir fry onion until translucent. Tomatoes, seasoning powder, add 3 tablespoons water. Add noodle and stir fry for 2 minutes. Maggie recipe is to stir fry ingredients and noodle, then add seasoning powder. The recipe didn't add water. I like to add water so the noodle is not too dry. Assam fried noodle is done. Smells so good. Sprinkle chopped chilies. Garnish with pineapple slices. fried noodle is ready to serve. I always cook Assam noodles in soup. This is the first time I stir-fry them like this. I actually quite like it. Noodle tastes sour spicy. The spicy level is mild and acceptable by most people. It is recommended that you add onions and fry them together. Its nutritional value is extremely high. It has the functions of lowering blood lipids, promoting digestion, refreshing and strengthening the body, sterilizing and fighting colds, preventing cancer, eliminating phlegm and diuresis, etc. So it is known as the queen of vegetables. C. The vitamin C in tomatoes has the effects of producing fluid and quenching thirst, strengthening the stomach and digestion, cooling blood and calming the liver, clearing heat and detoxifying, and lowering blood pressure. It has a good auxiliary therapeutic effect on patients with hypertension and kidney disease. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my today's sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. YouTube, there are more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.